Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve merged nodes between zeros. You are given the head of a linked list which contains a series of integers separated by zeros. The beginning and the end of the linked list will have node value equal to 0. For every two consecutive zeros, merge all of the node lying between them to a single node whose value is the sum of all merged nodes. The modified linked list will not contain any zeros. Return the head of the modified linked list. For example, in this example 1, we have this linked list and the output will be 4 and 11. How did you get 4 and 11? In the first part, we can see is the value 4 comes from 3 plus 1, which is merged to give the node of value 4. And the second value comes from between these two zeros, meaning 4, 5, and 2. So it's a summation of 4 plus 5 plus 2, which is 11. So the node value will be 11. So that's the answer. If you come to example 2, we have between 0, 1 and 0, 2, we have only one node, which is 1. So the value is 1. For the second node, we have only 3 between the two consecutive zeros, so it will be 3. And for the third time, you have 2 2's between these two zeros, so the summation will be 4. So the answer is 1, 3, 4. So to solve this problem, let's see the constraint first. You see the value can be between 0, the node value can be between 0 and 1000. And they say there are no consecutive nodes with zero value zeros. The beginning and the end of the linked list will have node value equal to 0. So to solve this problem, we can iterate through the linked list, and each time we encounter a 0, then we'll start summing the values, and when you get to another 0, let's say this one, then we'll push this or add it to the new created linked list. Then we'll move on. We will then sum this. When you encounter another 0, you'll add the values to the new linked list, so on and so on. So in that case, we'll have a runtime will be O of n, and the space-time will be O of n, so or O of m. If you consider the number of elements we're going to add to the linked list. So let's dive into the coding. So for the coding part, you can see, let's check have head next, head equal to head next. So we'll start with the first element, which is a non-zero. In this example, we start with 3. Then otherwise we carry on. We assign we will have a dummy head, which let's call it a temporary variable temp. Then we'll assign head to it, initialize sum to 0. Then we'll iterate through the element. So in here 3 is not null. If it is null, we return, otherwise we continue. So 3, we'll add sum is 0, so sum will be 3. Then 3 temp equal to temp next will come to 1, and then same thing, we check it's not 0, it's 1, then we'll add it, so sum is 4. If sum is 4, then the temp next, temp equal to temp next, and the value is 0. So this condition is violated, the while loop breaks. Then we assign to head value sum. We're here at 3, so the value of 3 will be 4. Then head next, The next of 3 will be the merge of temp. Temp is this value. Temp was here. So we'll the next of this node, which has a value 4 now instead of 3, will point to after this value, this node value being updated to 4, it will be called head next. So head next, the next of this node will be iteratively called using merge node of temp. Temp is pointing here. So we'll do the same thing, then we'll update the value of that temp to be 4 plus 5 plus 2. So the next of this or this node will be 11. So that's how we will do it using iterative call. So the time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is O of n. So let's submit and see. So it has been accepted. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, like, comment.